How to prepare for the Hamster Kombat airdrop by linking your TON wallet. Follow our step-by-step guide to connect your TON wallet and participate in the upcoming Hamster token launch. So first you need to open the app and you will see airdrop option in the right corner. Then tap on connect your TON wallet. Again tap on connect your TON wallet. If you don't have a TON wallet yet, you may need to create one. To create a new wallet, tap on Open Wallet in Telegram. Now you can either choose backup via email or backup manually. I'm selecting backup via email. Enter your email address. Now your wallet is successfully backed up. Tap on View TON Space. Tap on Connect Wallet. Now your wallet will be connected. Once withdrawals begin, you will be able to add cryptocurrencies to your wallet. After this, you will see the wallet option in your phone settings where you can check the balance as well as options to send, add or exchange cryptocurrencies. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such helpful videos.